available in our state.
To mark the 75th anniversary of India's Independence Day, BSF is conducting a motorcycle rally school outreach program as a run-up to Teachers' Day and various cultural programs from July to December 2022. As part of the program, a motorcycle rally was flagged off today by Dr. L.R. Bishnoi IPS, DGP Meghalaya Police from BSF Camp Mopat, Shillong. It will cover 7 states of Meghalaya, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh and will terminate in Delhi on 16th September 2022. A total of 30 motorcyclists, 15 each from BSF men and women motorcycle teams, BSF Janbaz and BSF Seema Bhavani respectively, are participating in the rally. Addressing the gathering, Bishnoi reiterated that the motorcycle rally is celebrating 75 years of progress, India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. He also emphasized that the rally will spread a message of national integration and patriotism among countrymen.